Hey everyone, welcome to my review of this portable stove by Gas One. This is a dual fuel portable stove, meaning it can take both butane and propane to heat this stove. Inside this video, I'm going to be using a propane tank to heat this. Propane is going to provide about 15,000 BTUs as opposed to around 7,000 or 8,000 BTUs with the butane gas. So it should cook a whole lot faster with propane. I'm just going to be making some veggie bacon really fast inside of this video, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this stove. It is extremely simple. All we have to do is just install the adapter and the gas line for the propane tank, and then we just screw on the propane tank to the gas line. Once we have our propane screwed into the gas line, now all we have to do is just turn it on. So we twist the dial down to the ignite button, and it's going to automatically ignite the propane. Now, if we were using butane, we also have this fuel lock lever, and that's just going to lock the butane into place. You'll notice that we have a steady flame coming out of the stove, and we can adjust the flame by turning the dial towards the off button or towards the ignite button. I also love that this stove comes with a portable carrying case. It makes it great for taking this stove camping. What I really like about this stove is it can be an all-in-one inclusive stove if you're using a butane canister inside this compartment. In my experience, the igniter works well and the stove just performs great. As you can see, the veggie bacon turned out nice and crisp, and this stove performs better than I could have expected. In conclusion, I would recommend the Gas One dual fuel portable stove for camping, taking it to the park, or even outside in the back patio, but I really think it shines as a portable camping stove. Overall, I would highly recommend checking out the Gas One dual fuel portable stove. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped.